Let me introduce you to a little friend of mine. Here he is. Woo. Do you want a closer look? Hang on. Hey. How cool is he? Look. You can find this little guy on Amazon. I think with the postage and packaging, he was like £30 or something like that. But I think it's really cute. It's a window cleaner with his bucket and his A-frame or pointer. And I think he's really cool. And he's gonna sit in my house. Even his glasses move. Look, you can put his glasses up like that. So, yeah, there he is. The company is called Steelman24. I would Google that or go to Amazon and put in window cleaner and see what pops up. But if you want this little guy, that's where you gotta go. Ain't that right?